The for loop in Java is a versatile and commonly used loop that allows you to repeat a block of code a specified number of times. It's particularly useful when you know in advance how many times you want the loop to execute. The for loop consists of three main parts: the initialization, condition, and update, all separated by semicolon. The basic syntax of the for loop starts with for with a small letter. This is the keyword of for loop. The initialization, I want from you to write down this note and this syntax, condition, and the update. And here you specify the code to be executed repeatedly. Let's start with int I equal to 1. I'm creating an integer here in the initialization part of the for loop, creating an integer I equal to 1. The second part is the condition. I'm specifying here the condition I less than or equal to 5. The condition to be true, I should be I less than or equal to 5. The update, how we should update the loop and the condition, I plus plus, which is increasing I by 1. So I will be updated and increased by 1 after each iteration of the for loop. Code to be executed repeatedly, I need to print out the value of I. Let's run the program. And the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, guys, I equal to 1 or int I equal to 1 is the initialization part where we declare and initialize a variable I with the variable 1. I is less than or equal to 5 is the condition part, which specifies the condition for the for loop to continue. As long as I is less than or equal to 5, the loop will continue executing. I plus plus is the update part, which increments the value of I by 1 after each iteration.